In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind, let me start with the sweetest and greatest gift, which is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, thanks to our teachers to give opportunity to present the presentation. Today, I would like to present the presentation about Al Quzia group companies. We are two members in group I, Kamran Rahmi, and Sirajuddin Wisal. Presentation Al Quzia Green Tea. First of all, I would like to introduce the Al Quzia Group. The Al Quzia Group of companies (AGC) is the leading ISO certified multinational FMGC company. His proud history of 100 years of business producing a diverse field range of FMGC products including tea and coffee, soft drink, evaporated milk, biscuits and potatoes, chips, baby care products, and wide range of others personal care products. Now, thank you, sir, for your opportunity. For your opportunities, Siraj will come and he will present the remaining parts of presentation.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear sir. Thanks from Kamran Rahimi to start our presentation and also introduction of Al Quzia company. Thanks a lot to Kamran Rahimi. And now I want to continue my remaining parts of our presentation. What I done in the presentation. So we are start new business in Pakistan. This is a very big happiness for us because we are start new business in Pakistan. We launched the product of Al Quzia green tea. 4 P's. 4 things: product, price, place, promotion. What is product? What we launch in the Pakistan? Green tea we launch in the Pakistan. We bring green tea and pepper green tea in Pakistan. And the Al Quzia green tea as a fine Silamans green tea, delicious and flavor and high in nutrition. The green tea is one of the headless beverage. Al Quzia green tea is a flavor and herbal and can be enjoyed hot or chilled. Especially Afghan green tea as with a better quality and service at the cheaper price at the competitors like Tafat and Lipton, because we have favor Al Quzia green tea and also we have a less and cheap price of Al Quzia Afghani special Al Quzia green tea. Price is very important for every company. When we developed our products, we improve our products, we wide our market. Price is very important. In Pakistan, in the Pakistan, Lipton green tea and 100 gram Lipton green tea is a 100 rupees, Pakistani rupees, and we will set the price. We both Kamran Rahimi and me a lot of times work on the set the price. We select and choose the price for Afghani green tea 80 Pakistani rupees. It's very cheap, and also pepper green tea and 100 grams tea only 80 Pakistani rupees. It's very big opportunity for every customer to like a green tea. Plus, is very important for a new company. When we start a new business, new company, plus is very important. We select place. Placement will be done in the main big cities, but our hub will be the Peshawar and northern area of Pakistan, where people are more aware with the Afghani flavor and tradition. Because we select the Peshawar, because our culture is same. Afghani's culture and Peshawari culture is very same, and also Pashtun majority of Pashtun people like green tea, because we select the Peshawar and northern area of Pakistan. Promotion is very important part for every company. When we want to improve our Afghani green tea, our company, we need to a good promotion. And promotion will be the same. We add to the television, social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and have a brand be like have a brand face like Shahid Afridi and a Peshawar. In northern area, Shahid Afridi has the greatest influence, because we select for ad Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi is one of the Shahid Afridi is a big hero of Pakistan, and especially of KPK, because Shahid Afridi belongs to Peshawar. Because majority of KPK people like Shahid Afridi. When he add and he drink our green tea, everyone will be crazy for our green tea. He wanted to drink our green tea, and he will demand our increase, and customer will be increased our after from the adding of Shahid Afridi. Another important part is target market. What is target market? Company target of people. Who is targeter? Who will target? We target first people of all age, because we know very well all age people like mostly green tea, because majority of Pathan, majority of Pashtun people, all age people like green tea, to drink green tea, and in the summer and the winter in every season he like to only 10 glass of tea, 11 cup of tea, 12 cup of tea every time he drinks in a day, because we target the old age people. And also Pashtun, majority of Pashtun like green tea, and also green tea, our green tea is very good for fat people. When fat people drink our green tea, this will be lose his there will be a good fatness, and after from the green tea. Segmentation, we have done segmentation on the basis of geographic factors like areas that are selected that are northern sides of the Pakistan. Demographic basic, like age factor is there, like all age people who are well aware and health conscious people who have middle class income group can also afford our green tea. Differentiation with the packing, as unique, tasty, as unique, and have much natural flavor. What is the difference in the packing? We have make unique packing of our green tea, and also we have make unique natural flavor green tea. Totally 100% we make natural green tea. Then our competitors are setting to new products in Pakistan, so we need to make position and make our market share strong. SWOT analysis, this is important for our company. What is SWOT analysis? Strength, weakness, threats, opportunities. What is strength of our company? Brand awareness, good advertisement. Brand awareness and good advertisement, same to same, little bit same to same, because we have a good advertisement, because we have our outside Afridi, and also we have banners, we have social media, we have a lot of way to good advertisement. This is our strength point. And fourth one, new flavors, and fourth one, natural. This is very big strength point of our company, because our green tea is totally 100% naturally, because this is our first and very 100% strength point our company. Weakness, what is our weakness? New staff, this is our weakness. New staff, new company, new staffs, new markets, less market share, because a lot of people know about our company, because we are new in the market, we start a new business, because majority of people know about our company. This is our weakness. Everywhere not available, because this is a new market. This is started only in KPK. Punjab, first time they are not available in the Punjab, not available in the Sindh, not available in the Chatral. This is our weakness, sir. Opportunities. What is opportunities? That people in Pakistan don't have natural products of green tea, so we can use our differentiation as our strength and can cover most of the market by using our natural image. What is streets? Or this is very important for us, sir. Other company can copy our products, because we are new in the market. We know about other company, and other company will be try to copy our products. It will be big challenge for us. And also we have top competitor already in the action. Before I mentioned Lipton and Talfa is also our big competitors in the green teas. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you, dear sir, for your time, to give us time. Thank you so much. Long life, sir.